Good day, grade 10. So our topic for today will be about the binary covalent compound. So this is just a part of the chemical naming and formula writing of the covalent compound. So let us start with this one. So this one is your easiest topic here in our fourth quarter. So here we have what we call binary covalent compound. So this is our guide for this one. So meron tayong prefix and we have the number of atoms. So this one, I know you are very familiar with this one kasi po ito ay tinatapik din po sa geometry. So we have mono, when we say mono, that is 1 atom. Di, we have 2 atoms. Tri, we have 3 atoms, and so on. So anyway, you can memorize this one in order for you to answer the binary covalent compound in the easiest way. So here, in naming the covalent compound, specifically the binary, when we say binary, it is made up of 2 nonmetals only. So tag-isa lang po sila. Both nonmetals, pinagsama, forms a compound that is binary covalent compound. So ganito lang po siya ginagawa. So we have the prefix name of the first element. However, meron tayong exception doon. Mamaya po natin sasaguhin yun. Next, i-add po natin si prefix stem of the second element. So just like what I have said in the previous video or previous topic natin, when we say prefix stem, when we are talking about the stem, this is usually the first syllable of the name of that element. So for example, oxygen, ox. We have chlorine, chlor, and so on. Then, just like the writing the name of ionic formula, so maglalagay lang din po tayo ng IDE sa dulo. Now, let us start this one. So, the process is very simple. So, here, in our example, either sulat natin yung name, chemical name of this covalent compound, or let us write the formula. So, mabilisan lang po ito. So, here, we have nitrogen. Our nitrogen here, walang nakasulat na subscript. We need to say that is equivalent to 1. So, ibig sabihin, this is nitrogen. And next, we have oxygen. It has a subscript of 2. Therefore, kung hindi pa sa ulo, you can use this one as your guide. Since meron tayong 2 atoms of oxygen, therefore, we have a prefix that. Nitrogen, di, then we have the prefix stem. The stem of oxygen is ox, and therefore, add na lang natin yung IDE. Simple as this one, the chemical name for this formula is nitrogen dioxide. Now, let's do the other process. Ang hahanapin naman natin is the formula. So, we have dinitrogen trioxide. So, first thing na kailangan nyo malaman dito is find the prefix. Prefix natin in our first atom is di. So, meron tayo, since this is nitrogen, the symbol for nitrogen is letter N. And meron tayong prefix na di, we have N2 and sub 2. Then trioxide, tri is E, we have oxygen. So we have N2O3. And next, pabalik naman, we have CO2. Since this one, this is carbon, and we have 2 atoms, that is di. Then carbon dioxide. Now, this is our exception. Kapag kaso yung una is nasa unahan po natin element, meron po siyang 1 number of atom, hindi na po natin isusulat yung mono. Automatic na po, pangalan na lang. Next is what? We have sulfur dioxide. Sulfur, meron tayong letter S. Di, we have two atoms of our element here is oxygen. So we have SO2. So this one, we have nitrogen, which is 1. Next, we have 1 for our oxygen. Hindi po natin ilalagay dito na nitrogen oxide. So here, gagawin natin dito is remix step B. For 1, meron tayo nakalagay doon, we have mono.
This is K and this is N.
And now we call this one nitrogen monoxide. That's it for our binary compound.